So we are here in Jaywick, and it is around what time? Loads of emergency services have gone onto the beach. It's 12:15. 45 minutes till high tide. It's coming up a bit. You can see there's loads of people here, loads of news people. They're all there. So everyone's here, all the police contacts. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen. They're out here. Hey, look. So news at Jaywick, Danny's here. I'm not the only one, am I? Politics. In Jamaica they call it politics. In Jaywick they call it news at Jaywick. With Sloggy Vision. Danny's Sloggy Vision to show you how it happens without edits.